it's ridiculous that Thompson Hurrah's not the favourite, but what we saw in the semis, Nita was supreme, but Elaine has such a pedigree. She's one of the greatest, probably the second greatest sprinter of all time, just behind Shelly-Ann. It's a debate that you could have over a long lunch, who's the greatest. And she's never been in 100 metres at the Commonwealth Games, let alone a final. And at 30 years of age, she breaks some new ground. And everybody here is just so pleased that she's decided to compete. So here we go. What a night it's been so far. And this will be the finale. They're well represented, Jamaica. White's been in good nick, and she's not without a medal hope.
And she's rubbed shoulders with those Jamaican women that you've talked about. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price, answered an individual here.
Bahamas, they've won it a couple of times in 98 and 02. Jamaica, only the twice Jamaica as well in 90 and 06. You would have thought they've won it a bit more than that. So Gaither, again with White, you've got a couple, and they've got a couple of chances, and Chukwuma's amongst them. 20 years of age, she's the youngest in the final, along with her teammate at 21.
Really happy to be there too, doesn't she?
So if you look at gold medals for female athletes at the Olympics in track and field, Alison Felix 7, Elaine Thompson Hurrah 5. They're 1 and 2. A big chance. A big chance. She's got everything going for her, Daryl. She's got the form, the confidence, and the crowd.
She looks confident. She looks like she's really enjoying the crowd and the atmosphere, and she knows she's in shape after that semi-final.
So Lucia could get a medal for the first time. Julian Alfred's had a long and successful season, but she's held her form. So they got a silver in 1962. That's their take from the 100 metres.
Wonderful season for Zoe. She's just gone from strength to strength since that devastation of missing.
So Nkwacha goes for Nigeria in lane number 8. So a couple of Nigerians, a couple of Jamaicans, a Kiwi, St. Lucia, Bahamas, and England. So who's your pick? Is it Thompson Hurrah? Is it Nita? Or maybe a Chukwuma or an Alfred? What are you thinking?
Well, I think it's definitely between Elaine Thompson Hurrah and Daryl Nita. But going by that semi-finals, you'd have to have switched your favouritism from Elaine to Daryl.
Nita getting set. They're alongside one another too, which makes it even better. Nita was slow in the semi early and then picked up. There's Alfred. She dominated her semi. They're about to go. Can one of the all-time greats win the Commonwealth here? So, away. Thompson's clearly in front of Nita early. She's in a good spot. Alfred and Hobbs. Nita's got a lot to go. Elaine's in front and she's home. Jamaica are going to win it, does she? Yes, she beats Alfred and Nita. She adds another golden one to one of the great collections in sprinting history. It was a battle, but she put Nita away early, and then Alfred gave her a little shock late.
Well, I should never have questioned one of the best 100-metre runners of all time. She just stepped up and got that job done. She wanted that victory. She didn't want anyone else to take that Commonwealth Games title.
So she made a statement by coming here, didn't she? After being third at the World Champs, so said Lucia get a medal. She ran superbly, Alfred. She closed with about 10 metres to go. So she gets the silver, and I think Nita's actually got through for bronze.
What's up, guys? How are you doing? It's my hope you are doing quite fine wherever you are watching this video from. Much greetings from this side. Yeah, man, guys, like the video. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. And guys, before I dive direct into today's video, one of the greatest track and field event, 100 meters women final 2022 Commonwealth Games held at Alexandra Stadium in Birmingham. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to much welcome all our new subscribers and also to welcome you all in this great channel. To all our new subscribers, thank you so much for your subscription. You guys, I wish you know what you really mean into my life. I really appreciate. And guys, if it's your first time coming across this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is ADK, going by the name ADK News in this platform. Kindly subscribe to the channel, take me to 10k subscribers. And don't forget to smash that notification bell at the subscription. Activate that bell so that you get notified each and every time we have a new video. To all my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate you big time, your presence here. Oh, I wish you know where you are in my heart. May our Heavenly Father always bless you abundantly. And guys, for those of you who have been asking me on how to support this channel, kindly check on my descriptions. All my details are there. My WhatsApp number, my phone number, my email. You can reach out to me in either of those that you find there. You can WhatsApp me, you can call me, and definitely I will appreciate. Yeah, man, guys, we are having a very massive and very impressive track and field event, women 100 meters final. And guys, we are seeing Erin Thompson from Jamaica destroying the field, burning the field completely, upsetting Juliana Alfred from St. Lucas to win gold. And guys, Erin Thompson Hera from Jamaica won gold in 10.94 seconds. Juliana Alfred from St. Lucia took home silver in 11.01, and Darren Nater from England settled for bronze in 11.07 seconds. Lucia Chikwan from Nigeria was number 4, Soy Hobbs number 5 from New Zealand, Tina Gavey from Bahamas number 6, Natalia White from Jamaica settled for number 7. And guys, as usual, at the comment section down below here, let's congratulate all the ladies. Let's congratulate all the queens who participated in this great track and field event. And guys, this is so amazing. And remember, Erin Thompson Hera is one of the greatest sprinter of all the time worldwide, not only in Jamaica. And she has been really performing very well in this 100 meters as well as 200 meters race. And guys, it's not well known in the 2026 Commonwealth Games. We have not yet gotten information whether she will participate. And guys, keep tuned here because I'll definitely inform you as we get those news. So ladies and gentlemen, it was such impressive race we can see, and of course that was a very great race because defeating or beating St. Lucas, Juliana Alfred is not that easy. Remember, she is the one who won gold in 2024 Commonwealth Games. And guys, as you all know that this year track and field event have already kicked off, as well as Califas games that are out the corner. Keep tuned here, keep it locked here because definitely I'll bring you the event as they happen. So guys, thank you so much for your time. This was just a history reminder of how Erin Thompson Hera from Jamaica destroyed the world, beating Juliana Alfred from St. Lucia and Darren Nater from England. Thank you so much. God bless you.